Welcome to our comparison of two popular Black & Decker dishwashers, the stainless steel BDW100MS and the white BDW100MW. Both models boast a 12-place setting capacity and a range of features designed to make dishwashing efficient and convenient. In this video, we'll explore their design, wash programs, and key features to help you decide which one is right for your kitchen. The first aspect we will compare is the design. The BDW100MS features a sleek stainless steel exterior, which not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also enhances durability. In contrast, the BDW100MW offers a clean and modern white finish, appealing to those who prefer a lighter aesthetic. Both designs are built to fit seamlessly into your kitchen decor. Next, let's look at the wash programs. Both dishwashers come with 5 wash programs, including heavy, normal, delicate, quick, and rinse. However, the BDW100MW stands out with an additional smart wash cycle, optimizing water and energy usage based on the load. This feature could be a game changer for those looking to save on utility bills while ensuring clean dishes. Finally, both models are Energy Star certified, ensuring they are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. They also feature adjustable racks, heated drying, and a sanitize mode, making them convenient for everyday use. The low noise level of 54 decibels is another common feature, ensuring a quiet operation in your home. In conclusion, both the Black & Decker BDW100MS and BDW100MW dishwashers offer excellent features and performance. The choice between them ultimately comes down to your preference for exterior finish and whether the smart wash cycle is important to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.